How high can you fly, lonely bird? How hard will your fall be, lonely bird? You're not in a flock, so you lack the presence of other birds, whose essence may be to lift you higher, whose absence will be felt when you fall deeper, lower to the ground. And that falling sound, no other bird would hear you. Doesn't it scare you, lonely bird? Doesn't it scare you? Lonely bird, even when in a flock, why do you choose to isolate? And then you feel desolate, like around you is everyone, but still feel like there's no one. You act like all you need is someone, yet you don't let anyone in. Lonely bird, you fly with a broken wing, and still don't ring any alarm for help. You limp on a broken leg. You don't want to have to beg for help. You rather fall than call, rather fail than sail with others. Lonely bird, I hope you know you don't have to be lonely. Some other birds care, even if it doesn't show. Life doesn't have to be a scare. If only you flow with other birds through the highs and lows, the fast and the slow. There's no need to wallow in loneliness, lonely bird.